Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. I would like to address this issue of Babu Owino, the Member of Parliament of Embakasi East, and this dramatic scene that we saw a few days ago with the MCA of Kileleshwa, Robert Alai. I want to make it very clear that after the passing on of Baba Raila Odinga, the ODM party, members of ODM party, have made it very controversial and very clear that they want to deal with Babu Owino. I want to name out these people and call out these people. These people who are fighting Babu Owino, the likes of the chair lady Gladys Wanga, the likes of Junet Mohammed and the rest. We know you. We are saying this as people of the Republic of Kenya, as the young people of this country, as Gen Zs, as members of the same community, the Luo community. We want to tell you that we have bestowed the authority and leadership of the Luo community in the hands of none other than Dr. Babu Owino. And I want to say this, we are not going to allow you to intimidate and threaten Babu Owino. A few days ago, that was a clear attack. That is attempted murder that was performed to the Member of Parliament of Embakasi East. And I want to tell you, wewe unaitwa MCA anaitwa sijui Alai sijui nini. I want to tell you, Alai, you have been making a lot of noise recently, and we have been listening to the nonsense that you are propagating all over social media. I want to tell you, Alai, that if you have lost all kinds of popularity with the people. Do not try and bring sympathy through Babu Owino. Babu Owino is a respectable member of parliament in this country. Babu Owino is loved by Kenyans, and if you're going to try and play games with Babu Owino, then that will be the end of politics for you. We are telling you that Babu Owino should be left alone and Babu Owino should be respected. We are not going to beg anybody. We are not going to beg anybody to respect Babu Owino. And I want to make it very clear. It is now very evidently clear that without Raila Odinga, ODM is malfunctional. We are seeing the kinds of things that are going on within the ODM party. We are seeing disunity within the ODM party. How can you tell us that the ODM is the biggest party? And yet, a few months after Baba's passing, the way people are behaving, we are wondering what is going on. Oh, Mara, munapiga Sifuna. Mara, you are telling us, oh, we are still broad-based government. Again, you are telling us, oh, we are going to have a candidate in 2027. I'm even hearing a 95-year-old man wants to become the president of this country. We are wondering what is going on. Surely, and you want to become the president of the Republic of Kenya, 95 years and above, somebody wants to become the president of Kenya. So if we give you that presidency, what guarantee will we have that you will even serve for 5 years? What guarantee will we have? So we are saying these jokers who have done nothing for the people of the Luo community. Somebody who is the senator of Siaya County has never audited the governor of Siaya, James Orengo. You have done nothing, you want to become the president. Stop these jokes. We don't want jokers. Surely, you are 95 years. In fact, you're older. Surely, at you are youth leader. You're calling yourself a youth leader. And you want to become... You know, these gimmicks, we don't like the jokes. So we are saying this. We are saying this. We want serious people. We want serious people. And we want serious people like Babu Owino. And anybody who is going to touch Babu Owino, we will deal with you perpendicularly. Wabro Lawi in. Wabro Lawi. So we are saying Babu Owino must be respected. Thank you very much.